Welcome to my very first cooking video on this channel. Now basically I'm not really a chef, am I? So basically it's not the ingredients you use but the method you use, and basically this method I'm going to be using is basically future technology, something that has never been done before but is going to be cool. So the first thing I have to do is I have to warm up the stove. Stove is nice and hot, ready for the preparation of the food. Right, so let's begin. The stove is going to be this electric motor. It gets so hot you get to see smoke. It's so hot it smells like a toxic factory. It's so hot that it can even evaporate water. It's so hot that you can't touch it. So I thought to myself, okay, cooking on this motor sounds like a brilliant idea. Now, I'm not someone who wastes food, so that's how confident I was in this idea of mine. Now, I wish to give you a happy ending, but I never got the results I thought I was going to get. So basically, although this motor is very, very hot, it's just not hot enough to like turn it into scrambled eggs. As you can see, when I put a drop of egg on the motor, the egg itself started to change color, but it's hot, but not hot enough. So it's sad. But anyway, it was a good first attempt. As you can see, the egg, it's turning into scrambled egg. As you can see, I sprayed water on this motor. Now listen to the sound the motor is making. Can you hear that sound? That's boiling water inside the motor. It's hot, steaming hot. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.